This is the 2016 Bayliner VR5. It's black and white in color on a single axle trailer. It does have a sports tower on it. Seems to be in pretty good shape. Does have the marine matting on the back deck as well as a tube tow. This boat will be priced at $26,995. Does have a swing tongue on the front and does have brakes on the trailer. Let's jump up into the boat and take a peek. In the front of the boat, you do have the recessed cup holders as well as a wide open bow with padding. You do have the marine mat on the interior. On the dash, you do have your Jensen stereo, a Humminbird fish finder, as well as all your gauges and toggle switches. This does have room for 8 people. You do have a captain's chair with a flip-up bolster, as well as wraparound seating. Then you do have the 3-position chair where you can have it down, you can have it in the middle, or you can have it all the way back to make another captain's chair. You do have this nice sun pad in the back. It is a walkthrough, so you can pop up the cushion and then pop up the back and walk through. You do have your storage and marine matting on the back. This back does convert to a chase lounge, so then you can lay out on that way as well. Interior is brown on this boat. Like I said before, it's got an arch on it, so you can do your water sports on it as far as you want. Ski locker in the middle. This is the 2016 Bayliner VR5 black and white exterior with a tan interior. If you have any questions, feel free to ask for James in Madison at extension 2006. Thank you.